I am Sandra. Welcome to Weekly Sports News. Let's go through the headlines first. Kerala's pride, Malayali players Pranav and Srikala to shine at FIBA 3-on-3 Asia Cup. Blasters get new boss. Ashley Westwood takes hell. Mumbai Indians make history in 13-year jinx with thrilling win over Kolkata. India to host West Indies in ODI at Karyavatam Greenfield Stadium on September 27. Summer of Sports. Olympic Association launches 2-month coaching camp across district. Registration open. News in details. Malayali players to make India proud in FIBA 3-on-3 Asia Cup. Pranav Prince and R. Srikala will represent India. 24 teams in the men's category and 22 teams in the women's category will fight for the title. Malayali players Pranav Prince and R. Srikala will represent India in the FIBA 3-on-3 Asia Cup to be held in Kallang, Singapore from April 1 to 5. Pranav is a basketball player for Indian Bank Chennai. Srikala is a player for KCB Thiruvananthapuram. This is the 5th consecutive year that the tournament is being held in Kallang. 24 teams in the men's category and 22 teams in the women's category will fight for the title. The men's team consists of Pranav Prince, Kushal Singh, A. Ravin Muthukrishnan and Harsh Dagar. The women's team consists of R. Srikala, Pushpa Sendil Kumar, Sanjana Ramesh and Darshini Tirunavukara. In the men's qualifiers, India is in Group D along with Kazakhstan and Hong Kong. The first match is against Kazakhstan on April 1. The women's team is in Group B along with Malaysia and Turkmenistan. Malaysia will face India in the first match in April. Kerala Blasters have announced Englishman Ashley Westwood as their new coach. The contract is until the end of this season. Englishman Ashley Westwood has been officially announced as the coach of Kerala Blasters. The club brought in the British coach after the team's poor performance led to the dismissal of head coach David Katala and his assistant coaches. The contract is until the end of the season. The team has not been able to win the season so far. They have lost 5 of their 6 matches. The only savings is 1 point from a draw. The team, currently in 13th place, is also facing the threat of relegation. Ashley Westwood has a difficult task ahead of him to win the remaining matches and take the team to the top positions. Blasters' next match is against Sporting Club Delhi on April 5. Westwood has previously coached ATK and Punjab FC in the ISL. He most recently coached the Hong Kong national football team. Mumbai Indians won their first match of the season after 13 years. They defeated Kolkata Knight Riders by 6 wickets. Mumbai Indians have changed the history of not being able to win their first match of the season in the IPL for more than a decade. This time, Mumbai chased down Kolkata Knight Riders in the first match at their home ground, the Wankhede Stadium. After losing the toss and electing to bat, Kolkata posted a respectable score of 220 for 4 in the stipulated 20 overs. Mumbai defeated them with 5 balls and 6 wickets to spare. Rohit Sharma and Ryan Rickelton, who scored brilliant half-centuries and created a huge partnership of 148 runs in the opening match, rewrote Mumbai's history. Rohit Sharma also showed his strength by scoring 78 runs in 38 balls, including 6 fours and a 6. Ryan Rickelton also laid the foundation for Mumbai by scoring 81 runs in 43 balls, including 4 fours and 8 sixes. Suryakumar Yadav scored 16 runs, Tilak Verma scored 20 and Hardik Pandya scored 18 runs not out. Get ready for an action-packed summer in Wayanad. The Olympic Association is hosting a summer coaching camp and they are inviting you to join in. From April 1 to May 30, train with the best in cycling, judo, karate and more. Register now through Google Form and make this summer one to remember. The Wayanad District Olympic Association is organizing a summer coaching camp in collaboration with various sports organizations and clubs from April 1 to May 30. The camp will offer training in multiple disciplines including cycling, judo, karate, roller skating, cycle polo, football, swimming, netball, kho-kho and throwball. The training sessions will be held at various venues: Parakal's Campbell Sports Mall for cycling, cycle polo, football, netball, kho-kho and throwball, Kalpeta Kenyuryu Karate Academy for judo and karate, Manangur Skating Ground for roller skating and Kalpeta Wayanad Heritage Resort for swimming. Participants who successfully complete the training will receive certificates from the Olympic Association. Those interested in participating can register through the Google form, link given below. Now it's time for Sports and Shoots. The ODI cricket match between India and West Indies will be played at the Karyavatam Greenfield Stadium on September 27 this year. The venue has been allotted to Karyavatam in the schedule of home matches with the new season released by BCCI. India's new season begins in September with 3 ODIs against West Indies, the first of which will be held in Karyavatam. 7th Kerala State Yogasana Sports Championship 2026-27 will be conducted on 11th and 12th July 2026 at Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Kalarkod, Alappuzha in Kerala. Qualified athletes from all district units across Kerala will participate in the championship. This championship will feature multiple competitive Yogasana events conducted in accordance with the code of points of Yogasana Bharat, covering various age categories. Those who win the state level competition will be eligible to compete in the national level championship organized by the Sports Authority of India. The Kerala team won the bronze medal at the National Junior Fast 5 Netball Championship held in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. The matches were held from March 24 to 27. That's all for last week. See you next time with more sports. This is me Sandra in Weekly Sports News. Don't miss the action.